Do you have your year-end gift planning, marketing plan in place? Hi, this is David Toll with Gift Planning Development. It's not too late to put a marketing plan in place and carry it out to help increase the amount of planned gifts you get at the end of the year, and to help your donors actually fulfill their philanthropic desire. One of the things you may like to think about doing is actually promoting the use of the required mandatory distribution from somebody's IRA. As you know, the standard deductions have increased tremendously under the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. With individuals, the deduction is now $12,000, and for a married couple, it's $24,000. And if you're over 65, you actually get an extra $1,300 deduction. And the government has told us that that reduces the number of individuals that will actually have the tax-free advantage of giving a charitable gift. So concept number one, email blast or send a postcard as soon as you can to those that are 7.5 years and older, to have them use their mandatory required distribution and roll it over to your organization. They don't get the charitable deduction, but they do not have to pay income tax on the money they otherwise would have had to receive from that IRA. That's a win-win situation for both organizations. It really helps your donor by saving payment of those taxes. The second area you'd like to look at is appreciated securities. As you know, appreciated securities are a far better way of giving to an organization than cash. You get away with having to pay your capital gains. You get a stepped-up market basis for your deduction. And if they had to liquidate that security and then pay it to your organizations, they would pay that capital gains tax. If you're including a year-end letter, solicitation letter, as most organizations do, include a buck slip or include some information as to ways you can give. That really does prompt the donor to give some thought about how they would give if they're otherwise thinking, I don't want to give this year. And lastly, you may want to promote bundling or bunching your giving. That is, instead of giving a little bit this year, to increase the amount they would give, say equal to 3 or 4 years worth of giving, and thereby increasing the amount that they would reach toward the standard deduction, giving them some tax impact. It's another great way for donors to do their giving. If you'd like a little bit more information or a copy of our 2018 year-end special report, visit us online at giftplanningdevelopment.com.